Hey guys, today I'm going to be demoing my hackathon project for the DeepMind X Y Combinator hackathon last weekend at their headquarters. So I basically built Palantir for San Francisco. So what it does, it basically takes a bunch of open source data and uses some AI analysis and puts that all into a map for dispatch to use. So one of the cool things we can do is we can go to any location. So move to YC. There's the YC headquarters where I was. So you can do that for any location using Gemini. We can create a bounding box and simulate what traffic looks like in the area. And this is all real traffic, by the way, using the Google Routes API. The speed is around the same, the vehicles too. So you can look at traffic in the area. Another cool thing is you can have dispatch calls and traffic data. So you can see that loading in. This is in the SF area. There's some dispatch calls. Traffic data, flights, vessels. You can look, and the coolest thing is that you can look at some cameras. So what happens is the Department of Transportation open sources their traffic cameras in San Francisco. So this is all live data, or close to live data. It's 1 minute per frame. And the coolest thing that we can do is we can have AI run an analysis on all of the traffic cameras in our app in SF. So I can say track a red Nissan heading downtown, and it creates this bolo, be on the lookout for, candidate. So it runs, so Gemini Vision can look at all the cameras and try to identify the red Nissan, and it'll actually send you proof. So if we look at the logs, it should take around 120 seconds to run through all the cameras if we do it in batching. Some other cool things, so move to Bay Bridge, take you there. So these are presets, by the way. If you want to go to a new location that you don't have the coordinates for, you can go to move to, what is it, Alcatraz. It would have Gemini search it up and try to find the coordinates. The fast ones you can set presets for. Other ones you can't. Okay, so it found some proof. It will actually circle the proof. Okay. So that looks like a red Nissan. Yep, and it found a red Nissan right there. Oh, that's perfect. It's actually a red Nissan. And it tells you the camera too, so it's heading on US 101, Fate South Pack. And the coolest part about this is is all open source data. So imagine what the government could do with their own CCTV cameras, all the analysis they can run on it. And this is just really a proof of concept. You could make all of this yourself. This thing took me about 5-ish hours. I did remake the Bolo system after the hackathon because it just didn't end up working. But now it does, and I think this is super cool. If the cameras were any closer, I could run license plate searching too, which would be really cool. But they're just not close enough. The cameras are just not close enough to the cars to see that. Okay, thank you everyone. I'd love to show you more about this project and maybe one day deploy it.